Welcome back to part 2 of this tutorial. In this video we will upload a simple catalog of products. Log in with your credentials. Once you have logged in, you will see a set of menu items on the left. There's also a quick access menu on the right to access home, orders, settings, etc. The first section on the left is all about orders and catalog. The next section is where you will manage your inventory items and stock in channel. Under Others you will find ways to send notifications to your sales force. The Maps section allows you to view sellers' visit map, etc. Reports will show detailed reports for orders, invoices, etc. Now click on the Settings menu item. Next, click on Data Uploads. Here, you will find various options to import your data, including catalog, inventory, customers, etc. We are interested in only catalog, hence let's download the catalog template. A catalog template CSV file will be saved in your download folder. Open the download CSV file in a text editor, or you may use Microsoft Excel. As you can see, the columns are pre-filled, which makes it easy for you to complete adding all catalog items. If you are using other marketplaces, such as Shopify, you can export the data from Shopify as CSV format and import the same data into this CSV file. Let's enter 2 catalog items, including SKU ID, product description, retail price, and any other applicable taxes. Once done, we will save the file in a new file, which will be ready to upload in Orderjini. The CSV upload option is a convenient way to do bulk upload to Orderjini. If you have fewer items, then you can use Orderjini's portal to enter one item at a time. Back in the Settings menu, let's go ahead and upload the CSV with catalog items. The items contained in the catalog CSV will be uploaded in Orderjini portal, which you can now confirm by visiting the catalog menu item. If you go back to catalog menu item, you will see the 2 items that we uploaded using the CSV upload option. If you click on the item, you will see the details of each item. Verify the name, price, applicable taxes, discounts any, etc. for each item. Let's also compare what column in the CSV file maps to what entry on the catalog details page. This completes step 2 of our Getting Started tutorials. In the next section, we will receive our inventory for the catalog items. We will see you in the next tutorial.